Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today continuing class 10th pair of linear equations in two variables exercise 3.2 question number 5. Okay, this is verbal type question. Listen carefully. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden, observe which is a shape given here, rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimension of the garden. Okay, if I consider a rectangular garden, as you all know, so if I consider rectangular garden, in rectangle, if you consider rectangle, we have opposite sides are equal, so it will be length and breadth, or you can consider it as width also. Okay, so here let length be x. If I consider length as x, width as y. Okay, what is the perimeter formula? Perimeter means we will consider the boundary, the sum of the boundary of the given rectangle. We will consider it as a perimeter, right? So for that we have to consider half of the perimeter. So if this is x, this will be x. If this is y, this will be y, right? So let us write. Here we have to consider it as x and y, right? So let us write. Let length of rectangular garden be x meter. Okay, x, because they have given in meter, so let us write. And width be y meter. Okay, so length be x meter, width be y meter. So what is the perimeter? They're saying half of the perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width is 36 meter. First let us consider the first equation, as it is linear equations to pair, right? Two equations. So first let us take half of perimeter. So perimeter means what we can consider? The boundary. So how many x we have? 2x plus 2y, right? So perimeter means it will be 2x plus 2y, or you can take 2 common as x plus y. We'll write it as like generally like this only, no? 2 times of L plus B. This is the perimeter of rectangle. So what we took? L as x, breadth or width as y, right? So let us take. So it is according to question. Just you write it as ATQ. ATQ means according to question. What they're saying? Half of the perimeter of rectangular garden. So half. Perimeter means what you will get? 2 times of x plus y, right? Is equal to, how many it is? 36 now. 36 you are having. So 36 is equal to, don't take this as 4 more than it, so let us take another equation, because if you consider in this you will get only one equation, right? First let us take half of the perimeter of rectangular is 36. So half of perimeter formula is 2 times of x plus y, 2 to cancel, so you got x plus y is equal to 36. So consider it as equation 1. You got one equation. Then let's go for next one. What they're saying? Whose length is 4 more than its width. Means always if you consider, for example, here you can observe. So if it is 2, if we add 4 for this, you will get x. You will get x. That is 2 plus 4 means it becomes 6. Okay, or if it is 3, for this you have to add 4 to get the x length. So that means you will get 7. Okay, that means here if we, for example, so what is length? They're saying length is equal to y plus 4. Okay, look here, the length is 4 more than its width. More means plus, times known. If it is times, you have to multiply. More, less, here you have some keywords. Okay, so more means plus, less means minus. Okay, times means multiplication. Okay, so here they're saying 4 meter more than its width means, for width means here y, so for that you have to add 4. So this you got the equation. So you have to this is second equation. So first equation, we will take half of the perimeter is equal to 36 and the length is 4 more than its width as second equation. Now we have to solve these two equations graphically. Remember, graphically, and we have to observe the dimensions perfectly. What will be the length, what will be the width. Okay, now let's solve graphically. Solving those statement, we got two equations. X plus y is equal to 36. That means by solving half of the perimeter, right, we got this equation, and the length is 4 more than its width, we got this equation. Now let us solve these two equations. So now here, as I always told you, the equation must be in y. So and check whether y is positive or negative. So y is positive here, let it be in LHS, take x to the RHS. So y is equal to 36 minus 6. Now you got one equation. Again here, y it is in RHS only. So let it be there only, because if we take here it becomes minus, right? So no need to take. So y let it be in RHS. Take 4 to the LHS. So it becomes plus 4 becomes minus 4 is equal to y. Now you interchange, don't need to change anything, just you interchange. X minus 4 it will be as it is, y it will be as it is. So you got two equations. Now let's solve these two equations by taking different values. So x, y, x, y. And remember, while taking the equations, while taking the values for x, take more values, because if we take 0, let me say, if you take 0, you will get 36. That means you have to take the points till 36. That's your wish. I'm not telling you to take the same values. That's your wish. You can take any values. Okay, 12. Okay, what happens? Let me check. Because 12, if we take more, so x is equal to 12. Y is equal to 36 minus 12. What's your value for this? 36 minus 12, you will get 24. 24 you will get. So if x is 12, y will be 24. Y will be 24. Observe carefully, y will be 24. Then let me take another value like 16. If I take 16, x 16, so y is equal to 16 means 36 minus 16. So y will be, so 36 minus 16, it will be 20. So it will be 20. Now let's come for here. So here if it is less, right, you have minus 4, it is very less, you can take any value. So if I take 0, let me check, x as 0, so y is equal to 0 minus 4. So 0 minus 4, it becomes minus 4. So minus 4. Okay, then if I take 4 only, y is equal to 4. So 4, so here x is equal to 4. So 4 minus 4, you will get 0. So 4 comma 0, y is equal to 0 now. So now we got the points. So by using these points, let me plot the graph. Check here, as we have taken higher values like 36, 12, 24 like that. So now you can observe the scale here. Let it weigh. Here also we took 1 boxes, so 1 centimeter. But I took 4, 8, 12, 16 multiples of 4s. So it is 4 units. Okay. Here y is also 1 centimeter. So 4 units. So multiples of 4. So take the points, which is our first point, 12 comma 24. You can check the table. 12 comma 24. So first point, it is x is 12, y is 24. So here x is 12, y is 24. So we are getting here, this is 12 comma 24. 12 comma 24. First you write the next 16 comma 20. At 16 you are getting 20. So this is 16 comma 20. 16 comma 20. Now let me join these points. Let us draw the line. So if you draw the line, drawn correctly. So if you draw the line, you got one line. So which is this line? X plus y is equal to 36. Write the line name also. Okay. Next point, 0 comma minus 4. So next point is 0 comma minus 4. X is 0, y is minus 4. You got this point. So this is 0 comma minus 4. Okay. Next it is 4 comma 0. X is 4, y is 0. X is 4, y is 0 means this point. Okay. So this is 4 comma 0. So now let's join this. So if we join this line, so they both are intersecting at one point. Which is that point? So you can check which is that point. 20 comma 16, they're intersecting exactly. If you join those points, if exactly it intersecting at 20 comma 16, this is the point. So x is 20, y is 16 here. X is 20, y is 16. So let me come back here. So if you join these 2 points, so here you are getting, they're intersecting at one point. Which is that point? 20 comma 16. So let me check in this. So what is our first condition? So if we observe this, half of perimeter, that means if you take half of perimeter, you will get 36. Okay, let me check now. So if we draw the rectangle, what we got? X as 20, this is 16, 20, 16, right? So y width as 16 we got. So because they are intersecting at these 2 points, so 20, 16, 20, 16. If we add all these things, what you are getting? 40, 40, 56, 56, you are getting 72. 72 half of this. If we add all this perimeter, half of perimeter, we are getting 36 only. Again, you can check. So width, if we add 4 more, so you are getting the length. Yes, right? So it is satisfying the equation. So therefore, what you can write? So therefore, what you can write? So length is equal to 20 meter and width is equal to 16 meters. So this is the dimensions of the garden. So these are the dimension of garden. So this is about question number 5 in exercise 3.2. So if you like this video, do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Keep watching. Thank you.